Yeah, my hair's getting a little crazy over here.
So we are Team Hypermarks. We're building a human-curated sitemap for the internet. Just introducing the team. My name's Eoin. This is Jeff, and that's Jehan. Jeff was ex-product designer at a advertising company called Hypothesis. And Jeff worked at 3 venture-backed startups, most recently doing web publishing with Gen Y. And I built a large startup ecosystem at Startup House. So I'm going to get Jehan to talk a little bit about the mechanics of the product, and then Jeff is going to explain the technical aspects.
Basically, what we're trying to do is create sort of a bookmarking tool, but more a site where people can put links into categories, and they're incentivized to put links into categories where the other people using that category agree with the additional link. So we want people to cluster web pages into categories, and categories can have any name, any string. And so we hope through that to build a sitemap of the internet and use that to power search results.
Yeah, basically lists of things are what we're interested in, and looking for collisions or intersections between those things. So we're starting with links.
For the business guys out there, gamified categorization powers search. That's the buzzword.
But it is kind of true. The idea is to get people to say, hey, you read things on the internet, why are you doing it alone? We have all of these bookmarks, this incredible data, and if we map it correctly and show where intersections happen, we can get people to start, instead of bookmarking and categorizing things alone in their little room, in their little browser, to do it on a product where everyone's involved, and hopefully find common names for the things that we want to talk about and the things we care about.
So it's like on Google, you can search for Disney World, but you can't search for alternatives to Disney World. And we want to give people search that's a little bit broader, a little bit more discovery-based.
Yeah, I mean, it's better to think of it in terms of content discovery than search. Google essentially has perfected search, but when it comes to what are similar items, we don't really have that navigable database. Computer scientists can access it, but humans not really so much. And we think that's really useful. So we're building that, and I hope you like it.
Sweet.